Can you count for Mommy? In Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 9, 10.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4,
What's after 4?
5,
Then what?
2,
No, 6.
6,
Then what?
7,
Then what?
7,
Then what's after 7?
7,
7, 8.
8.
What's after 8? How about in Spanish? Uno.
9,
No.
10,
9.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
You're being a goof nut now.
Okay.
How about uno?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good girl.
1, 2, 3, 9, 10.
I don't know where 1, 2, 3, 9, 10 comes from.
Okay, first.
What-
We went first.
What's your name?
P first.
Pretty Flowers is your name?
No!
Is your name Michaela?
No!
Can you say Michaela?
No!
Meow. How does a dog go?
P.
No, a dog.
Dada!
How does a cow go?
Ma!
Say, I love you.
Can!
Can you blow a kiss?
Plane!
Plane?
Yeah, P.
Okay. You say bye.
Go!
Go. Ready, set, go?
Bye! Set! Go!
Okay, see ya.